Indeed, as has been identified in the Building Bridges initiative, Kenyans are eager for improvement in healthcare delivery by both government and private providers. The BBI implementation report proposes fundamental and innovative solutions to the health quagmire that Kenya has faced since the beginning of our nationhood. As a government, leaders and partners in delivering the Kenyan dream, we are called upon to do all that is required of us so that Kenya can indeed be that healthy nation that we seek. The Kenya we want is one in which no Kenyan should leave the country so as to receive the medical care they require. A Kenya that is a world-renowned medical tourism destination, a Kenya whose healthcare bills no longer destroy in a single swoop wealth that has taken decades to create, and a Kenya where every person, regardless of their financial status, will receive the care they need at an institution within the local area, and a Kenya where UHC has become a platform for innovation in developing locally manufactured medicines and equipment. I want to thank, through you, Chair, the county governments. I want to thank our development partners. I want to thank the Ministry of Health, and indeed all other ministry departments and agencies involved in this noble national task for delivering this initiative on time and indeed under budget. In order to secure sustainability of financing for health, I want to urge both levels of government, as has been stated by Governor Oparanya, to ring-fence health sector funds to support the attainment of universal health coverage. I invite all Kenyans and all persons resident in Kenya to register for NHIF and to ensure that they remain up to date with their subscriptions. This will ensure that the fund has the necessary financial depth required to deliver on its very important mandate, in addition to ensuring that in the event of a medical emergency, the fund is able to step in and cover the paid-up member or